Hi friends, so this lesson we are doing is Unit 5, Lesson 10, and I'm just asking you, is the decimal considered a repeating decimal or a terminating decimal? So a repeating decimal is where a number or multiple numbers repeat on and on forever, or a terminating decimal just means that the decimal ends, okay? So it comes to a conclusion. So let's look at some examples. 2/3. So if you take your calculator and you do 2 divided by 3 equals, you will see this number, 0.666666666. So this is what is known as a repeating decimal. That means the number 6 is going to go on forever. So the way you represent this in numerical form is you would put 0.6 with a line over the 6. You would just draw 1 6 and you put a line over the 6. And this indicates that the 6 repeats forever. Okay, this is a repeating decimal, and this is how you display that it is a repeating decimal. Okay, another example. So if I did 20 divided by 11, so if I do 20 divided by 11, I get 1.81818181. So as you can see, for this decimal, it's 0.81 that repeats over and over and over again. So for this decimal, I would put a bar over over 81, okay? So this lets me know for anyone that 81 is the two numbers that repeat over and over and over again. And it lets me know that, yes, it's a repeating decimal. So let's try to identify these three, identify whether they're repeating decimals or terminating decimals, and what numbers actually repeat. So remember, if you have a mixed number, the 2 is just a whole number. So we're going to say it's 2 point. Now we check out the 1/3. So we're going to clear. We're going to do 1 divided by 3. Enter. So we see it's 0.333333. So that means that 3 is a repeating decimal. So we're going to do 3. And we're going to put a line over the 3 to let anyone else know that 3 repeats over and over and over again. So now we're going to do clear. And we're going to do 1 divided by 4. Enter. And that just says 0.25. So that's what's known as a terminating decimal. It ends at 0.25. Nothing repeats. That's it. Okay. So that is going to go on the terminal side, and it's 0.25. So we know nothing comes after that 5. It terminated. Okay. Now we're going to put in, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones divided by 9 and 4 zeros. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros equals, it looks like the 5 repeats. So you have 0.12345555555, right? So it's a repeating decimal. So I have 0.1, 2, 3, 4, and it's the 5 that repeats, so the line only goes over the 5. Okay. So this was my repeating side, this was my terminal side. Okay. So for this exercise, you're just going to be asked to identify whether the decimal is a repeating or a terminating decimal. Okay, so you're going to do exactly what we just did and check with your calculator. Have fun practicing. Bye now.